In this video, I'll show you how to add a visitor counter to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget if there is anything to click on, and you can even see the mobile view as well. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description down below. That's going to bring you to this website, and the first thing you need to do once you're on the website is to hover over widgets. From here, go ahead and locate tools, and all the way down here we have the visitor counter. Go ahead and click there. From here, go ahead and click on create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. And once you're here, the first step is to choose a template that's the closest to what you're looking for. For my website, I'm going to go ahead with this vertical visitor counter right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue with this template to design it further. From here, the first settings you can see is the what to count settings. Here you can choose whether to only count unique visitors or each page view. Aside from that, you can also go down and choose the number format. Right now it's chosen comma, but you can also choose dot, space, or none at all. Next up on the left hand side, you can click on info. From here you can choose all of the different info to display. You can toggle these on or off by clicking on the little tick right here. You can also go ahead and update the total starting value, which would be the number down here. So if I wrote 200,000 in here, it's going to add 200,000 to the current number right here, as you can see. Like this. Aside from that, you can also choose a different layout if you'd like. You can go ahead and scroll through these different options right here and choose the one that's the closest to what you're looking for. You can also go down and add a message, header, or weekly stats graph. Now, if you want to change something like the color scheme of this widget, go ahead and click on style on the left hand side. From here, you can determine the size of it. Right now it's set to medium, and you can even do small or large. Then you also have some color schemes. Right now it's set to light. You can also choose something like dark, or you can make it custom so it's to your own liking. As you can see, when you choose custom, you have an additional customization tab down here. But for this case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose light. And as you can see, you can also choose a different graph color down here. So that will be this little graph right here. And let's say I want it to be a different color, like blue. Then I can go ahead and choose blue and click on done. You can also choose a different border radius if you'd like. That's the little gray border up here, as you can see. And you can also choose the numbers font weight by clicking right here and then choose bold. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the add to website for free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen just now. This right here is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select a $0 a month plan on the very left side. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're in your Shopify website designer, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I want to add this to my home page, which I can choose right here. And to add the widget, go ahead and choose where you want to add it on your page. I want to add this to the mid section of my website, which would be on the template. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on add section and then scroll all the way to the bottom and click on custom liquid. From there, you should have this pop up on the right hand side over here. Just go ahead and click Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste what we just copied from Elfsight before, or right click and click on paste. And now just click away. And as you can see, we now have a visitor counter on our Shopify website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.